We are making jerk chicken. Welcome back to Flo's Homemade. Stay with me as later on I'll be showing you how to make delicious potatoes to go with this chicken. For this recipe, you'll need scotch bonnet, spring onions, fresh thyme, brown sugar, olive oil, cinnamon and nutmeg, cider vinegar, ginger and garlic. Place all other ingredients in a blender and grate in some nutmeg. Traditional jerk recipes typically include allspice, but I've replaced that with cinnamon and nutmeg. In goes some lime juice. Then blend to form a smooth or not so smooth paste. You want to set aside about 1/3 of the mixture for basting later on. And now to the chicken. Pat dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Next, lightly score the drumsticks on both sides to allow the spices penetrate through. Careful not to cut too deep so that it doesn't fall off the bone. The scored chicken goes in a Ziploc bag, and then you pour in the 2/3 marinade that you haven't set aside and some salt. Zip it up and give it a good rub. Now you can do this in a Tupperware, but you don't get the same satisfaction of actually getting the spices into every crevice of the chicken. Marinate overnight for best results. My perfect potatoes are salad potatoes that I've cut in half, tossed in oil and Suya spices, and then placed at the bottom of the tray. The marinated chicken goes onto a well-oiled rack at the top of my potatoes. It's best to use a grill-style oven with the heat coming from the top. In it goes to a preheated oven for the first 20 minutes, then turn things around and baste the chicken pieces and pop it back in for another 10 minutes until it's cooked completely. Why don't you give this a go yourself and let me know how you found this recipe. That's all from me for now, and do please subscribe to the channel for more.